Hey, ECCHS. I'm going to try to do a screencast to show you how to get into the Purpose Prep by Edgenuity lessons that we were going to use for our social emotional learning days on Wednesdays. So what you're going to do is you're going to go to the school website first, and you're going to go to For Teachers. From there, Dot has put a link that says Purpose Prep by Edgenuity on there, and that's going to take you to the home page. Now, I've already logged in, so the first time it's going to ask you for a login. You need to log in as an educator, and I'm going to share the document that has everyone's logins, but it's basically your first name dot last name. So mine is Michelle.Dye at elbert.k12.ga.us, and everyone's password is ECCHS for now. So once you log in, you'll be here. From there, you're going to go to Courses and Manage Courses. There's a couple of ways. You can type in the search bar Social and Emotional Learning, or you can scroll down. It's on the second page because it's alphabetical, but Social and Emotional Success. So I'm going to put a check mark in that box, Social and Emotional Success, and I'm going to click View Course Structure from right here. This first set was the unit that we were supposed to do first, but we didn't have the program in time, so we are picking up right here with social skills. So for Wednesday, the video would be social awareness. You just click on the social awareness tab, and it takes you to the video. At the end, there is a question. I haven't figured out yet how to not have the answer up there. So, I don't know if you just wanted to ask these questions verbally or, type it on your smartboard yourself, whatever you decided. I don't know yet. I think the kids would have to be logged in to not see the check mark. But that's just a kind of a assessment to see where they're going and what they think, and maybe disperse some conversation. There's also a document that has discussion questions. You can get that up top right here. I'm going to show you two different ways. You can get it by doing Course Documents and going to the Discussion Questions tab. It's just going to open a Word document that you can save, but I have also already downloaded this Word document and put it in the folder that I shared with everybody that has Flex Curriculum in it. So under social skills, which would be the video we would start this week, the first question goes with the first video, the second question goes with the second video, and so on. You're always welcome to add more discussion questions or activities. That's completely up to you. This is just like the launch board for getting your social and emotional lessons done on Wednesdays. Thanks, and let me know if you have any questions. I'm probably going to send all of this out on an email too with a link to some of these documents. Thanks, and have a good one.